Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Mason, and I'm doing a little bike check here. So yeah, let's go and start with the seat. I got a Sabrosa pizza seat with a with Colt pivotal seat right there, or pivotal seat post. I got a KMC chain. I originally bought a Shadow Conspiracy chain, but I don't have the tool for it, so I can't put it on. So I got someone else to put a different chain on. I got Odyssey keyboard tires. My frame is a Harl Boulevard. My forks are Harl Boulevard too. Got ODR grips and with Sabrosa Party 4-piece bars. My brake line is Shadow Conspiracy. And I got a Tektro brake. I got Haro cranks, and then I got a Odyssey pedals, Odyssey Galaxy pedals. So yeah, that's all I really got on my bike. I don't have a lot, so yeah.